What's going on, everybody? So today I am at a secluded, out of service dam. Look at it. Alright, so we always want to do magnet fishing at a dam. But we never know where to find a dam. And the dams that are in Kingston, you can't really go over there and do nothing. But this one, it is clearly out of service. So today I will be doing some magnet fishing and see what we can find. I don't know what we can find up here, but I'm going to try anyways, you know, because I never do this before. Now, today makes exactly 1 week since the hurricane hit Jamaica. Hurricane Beryl, category 4 hurricane. And I expect the water up here to be dirty, like brown type of dirty. But it is not. It actually looks like it'll get clean now. But we don't have to watch that. We just go at it, show off the magnet, and see what we can find today. I'm showing it over here so real quick. Over here is the overflow part of the dam. Look at it. It is massive. It looks good. But anyways, we'll get started and see what we can find. The scenery is nice. I'm going to roll the drone shot now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That is good, man.
Yes,
Big up
man. Manners. Is that video come up for doing now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good. Look, show them my catch. There's some fish in there, bud.
Oh, yeah, I did. Oh, what is my name?
My name is tilapia, or freshwater fish.
Yeah. Oh, nice size too. Should I get in the water?
Yeah, man. I don't know, man.
Okay.
Then I'm going to draw one net down there, sir.
Yeah.
Then I go back down there, so go draw that net there. Then I go back up there, so draw that net.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Yeah, man.
All right. Hope this is recording now. Yeah, so we are about to get started finally. So today I brought 2 of my magnets. So today I brought 2 of my magnets. This is a smaller one, this is the bigger one. The bigger one kind of damaged, so that's why I'm gonna bring the smaller one just in case I feel like the big one not working so good. You know, assuming there's things to find. So alright, now so I take the first throw of the day. I assume that this is really deep, so I'm going to weed out. No, I think the first thing we need to do, I'm going to weed out some. Oh wait, some of my gloves. Don't forget the gloves. You cannot operate, you can't do magnet fishing without your gloves. Yeah. Unless you want to lose your skin. Anyhow, this will be the first throw of the day. I'm not sure how deep this be, but I'm gonna use the rope for kind of estimate it. I'm gonna go off, definitely, but at least I can have an idea of how deep it be. Alright, so first throw of the day. Yeah, it didn't reach the ground as yet. So I'm going to slowly lower it down until it touches the ground, or until I feel it touch somewhere. Yeah man, this deep man, Raje. Yes, it's deep for real. It is not no show. Even though it stopped use or it out of service, it's still deep. You know, when dam out of service, it usually gets full up with dirt or debris and everything there. But this, watch out, the rope almost finished. The rope almost finished. You know, Raje. Look at this. Raje, you not touch the bottom one now, you know? Yo! Look at that. This is the end of the rope. And all know the magnet not reach the bottom of the water. You know, so I take out the, maybe have some extra rope and take it out. Yo, this deep. This is very deep. I don't know how long the rope be. I'm going to check it after today's video. I'm going to check it. But this is well deep, people. This is really deep. I'm going to say something. I'm going to try something. Still, no ground. How am I going to do magnet fishing if I can't touch the ground? Alright. What we might do? Yeah. Alright, give me the next end.
But I feel like this is probably only for feet, you know, bro. Like, can I look funny? Can I say, next thing, oh yeah, try this now.
Type on this, I don't know. And you know for tie things, you know.
Hold on, alright. That. Hold on in the tight.
Yeah, I have it. Alright, so I add more, we add a second rope to it. So now we're going to lower it and see how further more it go. I have to lower it slow. Alright, it is still going. Oh wait, just reach the ground.
Just reach the ground?
Yeah. Alright.
What you say even there prepare?
Just reach the ground.
This not reach, man. How you talk about?
Oh, you know reach the ground?
No. Actually, I like it down slow. See there?
Oh, yeah, I did. Yo.
Watch it.
Yo, this deep.
Watch it. See that jaw back?
Yeah.
It's almost done, you know? See there?
People, the water here, this dam is very deep. This is the deepest dam. Well, this is the only dam I ever been to. And I believe that this is the deepest one.
Look like it. Probably reach, man.
Yeah. Yo, this deep. People in the comments are they,
What is the one?
you stuck on something?
Oh, I'm going to feel the step on.
Oh, people in the
Heavy.
And it's heavy too. So people in the comments, at the end of the video, I'm gonna try, I'm gonna make you know how long the rope is.
I say it normally feel heavy.
Why am I not sure, you know? Because remember I say I water it, you know, and the magnet heavy.
What that?
Yeah, it's empty. No.
Yo, this feel heavy. I come up a while ago, you know. Water cool, you know.
Yeah. Alright, so this damage, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a smaller one here and see what can go on.
Oh, you put the two of them together. You ever try that?
They must stick together.
Hold on, I'm trying one. I'm going to run, I say.
Yeah.
Off we go.
Yo, I'm going to get our gloves. My gloves are dirty. Use that one, yeah.
Hold on.
That go same way?
Wow, feel like I reach too.
Oh.
Oh.
You know, I need to find out, we need to search up the history of this bridge, not bridge, of this dam and see how long ago it built and how long ago it get decommissioned. But to how I see it though, you know, it look like them are plan for restore it, because I said mud though. So Raje said the ground feel like mud, like a whole heap of mud up on the ground. Which is expected, Cause it not really use, you know.
So now I want to keep everything come up.
Yeah, cause the magnet itself heavy. It's a big one I don't really use. And the fact that I don't really use it, I'm surprised it mash up. I'm surprised I had a little piece of magnet then put on it. All I think it was a big entire something that me go. Yeah. Alright people, so I try to make it slide on the water bottom to see if it can attach to anything. Wait, how I going here, so? I saw it feel heavy for real. It feels like something I hold on it for real, man. I want some thick piece of mud or silt there down here, so. Yeah. You see like something I pull it. Wait, I feel something I say, you know. It could have been debris or iron. It got down. Yeah, that part is well deep, man. Alright, so I'm gonna try a different part and see. We need to find somewhere more shallow. That's a too deep. Look at that. Like the rope can't done.
This one. Alright, so I'm gonna pull it up. And the only thing I get on the magnet that is foreign is some black rusty piece. But that is not enough. We need to find more. So I'm gonna try around on the other side and see if we can make a difference. But this time I'm gonna try with a smaller magnet though. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to try on the next side of the dam. Well, not the dam. The next side of the house. Alright, so this side of the dam or the house. Yeah, so hopefully this side is more shallow. Or shallow. Because many for reach the ground so we can find things. You can't just find nothing alone. Yeah. So I'm going to try with a smaller magnet this time and zero it out.
Alright, ready? Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Did I take everything again? Did I take everything again, people? So this is this side. Wait. I think I eat that. I think I eat that now. So this side is definitely not shallow. Yeah, this side is definitely not shallow. But oh well. This is a new spot for me. And the experience is what matters. What is now? I'm gonna pull it up real quick and see if we even find a $10 on the magnet. Usually them location here. Usually when I go to a location, I always find money. So I'm gonna see if we can find any today.
static, roll it.
Oh, all right. Just as I said, one money. How much money this? This look like
That look robot. $1.
$1. Yes, I'm find a $1. I am $1 richer today.
I'm not sure over the side.
That's what. I'm gonna try this one next. I'm gonna show them. $1. Alright. We'll try that side then. Yeah. So far, we only find $1. We need to find more than that. We need to find some things from ancestral days. Alright, I think I hit that now. Pull it in now. Come on, find something. But you see through so much silt in this, and the magnets them so small, probably hard to find things, you know? Maybe. Let me see if I can drag it. Drag it on the bottom of the water and see if we can. Alright, I can pull it up now. Come on, my head tap a bun out. Yeah, this hard. No joke. It's a one of the once more, nothing on the magnet. Alright. So that's a too deep. I'm gonna continue through right here. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go at the edge down there, so, or that edge, and take two more through. If I don't find nothing, then that concludes the video. And at the same time, I need to come back here next time when the water is much clearer and put the underwater drone in the water. And at the same time, Raje, if him head chip the right way, he might do scuba diving here, so you can look out for that too. And the water is already scary already. Yeah.
Alright, so this is the final spot I will be trying today. Yeah, because the water is very deep and the sun is hot and I feel tired. But anyhow, we'll try, I think, at 3 different spots so far. This will be the final spot. Other places you can try, yes, but I'm not go all the way down there, so I try right here so now. Yes, I'm going to throw in the magnet and then just sweep it. And just walk from here, so go down and see if it can pick up anything. The good part is the magnet may get stuck to anything. Usually, the magnet gets stuck between stone or on a big piece of iron or some kind of things. Some kind of things we can make out what it be. Yeah. Yeah. Right there, so shallow. As I throw it in, so a couple seconds later, it touch the ground. I'm going to take the time and drag it on the ground and see if we can attach to anything. Yeah. Yeah, this feel way much better.
Yeah, people, so up here, so let me know in the comments if you didn't know about this dam, and if you know what else. Oh yeah, that. Alright. So far, I don't feel I'm not attached to anything, but I am still going. Wait. I feel a tad bit of restriction right here. Wait. Right here I feel like, hold on. I'm not sure if I something the magnet stick to right here, or if like a piece of tree stump or tree branch in the water. I mean I feel it. But me go. Still moving. Still going. Yeah man people, so I definitely I gonna need to come back when the water get me way much clearer and put the underwater drone. Wait. You're so deep. Yeah. And put the wait. Oh. So I definitely I gonna need to come back and put the underwater drone in this. But that's only when it get clear. Right now it's still dirty. It'll take at least 2 weeks or more if it get clear. Assuming it's more harder in the fall and then the water gets flooded again. Alright, so I think I can pass the bamboo here. So I walk go all the way back down here, so look at me if I pull it up here so instead. Because it feel like it attached to something. Alright people, still nothing. The magnet is clear. So conclusion, this dam is very clean. There's no debris. Well, there's no metallic debris or any treasure here. Yeah. Or maybe what is there, the magnet can't find it. So the whole thing left now for us going in with the drone and see what the bottom look like. Yeah, so that is our for today's video. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments what you think about the video, what you think about the dam.